Why would I take an order for $8.40 when I don't know how many items I'm shopping for? Holy cow. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bee. This is Gig Money Madness, so glad to have you along with me today. It's Saturday, September 16th, about 10:30ish in the morning. I do have my first order. It's a shop and pay on Doordash for $11.50 going almost 6 miles, and I'm just picking up 10 items, so it should be pretty quick. So I'm already here at Dollar General. Let's get in there and go shopping. Alright, so it looks like it's only 5 different items. There's just some duplicate stuff in here, so should be fairly easy. Alright, so we got the boxes, we got the tub, and then there's about 3 different food items down there in the bottom. So let's go check out. That probably took me about 15 minutes to do. Even though there was only 5 items, I had trouble finding the boxes they were looking for, and it turns out they didn't have the size that they wanted, so I had to let the customer know that and then wait for them to respond. And so I did tell them what they did have. They had another size box, and so they went ahead and just got the other size of boxes. So it wasn't too bad, just took a little bit of extra time. And other than that, I didn't have any other issues. Alright guys, I got that one dropped off. I am just waiting on my next order. Let me turn Ubereats back on. So I have Doordash, Ubereats, Grubhub, and Spark turned on right now. I'm just waiting for my next order. A lot of stuff coming in, just not worth anything, so I think you already sent me that one. Must have missed it or something. Spark's got one coming at me, $9.77 for 10 miles. No, I'm not taking that. So I need to make $202 and some change to hit my goal for the week. I had a really good day yesterday. I was behind about $50 to $70, something like that, for the week when I started yesterday morning. And man, I had a really good day. Just everything flowed good. I didn't have too many problems, so it was just a really nice day. You know, we live for those days, right? But yesterday I made a little over $300, like $301, and I only drove like 155 miles. But I did work 12 hours for that, but that's still a little over $25 per hour. So I'm not going to complain. I think that's a great day in my book, especially compared to a lot of other ones I've had recently. So yeah, I was really happy with yesterday. So this morning I had to charge my car. I'm still not set up for doing it at home yet. So I have to go to the dealership and they have a charge point charger there, and it's the fastest one that they put out there. So although I don't think it charges as fast as what it should, because it looked like it should charge at about 68 kilowatts per hour, and most of the time I only see 25 to 28 kilowatts per hour. So it takes me, I was down to like 14% when I pulled up to the charger, and I think by the time I only went up to 52%, and I was there for like an hour and 5 minutes. So yeah, if it was going as fast as it should only take me half that time, like 35 minutes to charge it up. So I'm still playing with that a little bit. I've got enough to get me through the day, so I'll probably just go tomorrow and do it, depending on what time I get done today, because I've had some really late nights this week, and so I don't know if I'm going to feel like staying out late if I get done it at a decent time. So anyway, that's kind of the situation with the charging at the moment. Right now it's very time consuming, but I hope to get a charger for home and then that situation will change. All right, I'll take that one. Ubereats, $11.03 for 4.5 miles. So I'll go get that. It's picking up at Pega's Family Restaurant. All right, let's go pick up this Pega's. All right, I got my next order. It's on Grubhub. Surprise, how about that? I never get anything halfway decent on Grubhub, but this one is picking up from Pega's for $6.92, and it's just going 1.4 miles. The funny thing is when I was in there picking up the other one at Pega's, yeah, there was one sitting there for Grubhub, and I bet you this one was it. So it's too bad that I couldn't have picked them up at the same time, but actually, no, yeah, it looks like they were kind of going the same direction. I could have dropped them both off at the same time. So, poor timing on Grubhub's part, I guess. Alright guys, I got my next order on Doordash. It's picking up at Cava for $6, 2.6 miles. Nothing really to get excited about, but just to put something to put a little money in my pocket. So it's like 12:16, so you know, lunch has been going for a little bit, but you know, sometimes Saturdays here in my area, it doesn't start picking up till, you know, 1:30 even. Oh my gosh, you guys, I went into the wrong restaurant. I went into BB Bop instead of Cava. Alright, Ubereats just tried to send me a shop and pay for $8.40 going 4.4 miles, which the miles to money isn't bad, but they're not showing me how many items I'm shopping for. Why would I take an order for $8.40 when I don't know how many items I'm shopping for? Holy cow. Guys, I just got an update on my last Ubereats order. It was the one that was for $11.03. It went up to $14.26. So, hey, I'll take it. All right, guys, I'm on my way to Noodles & Company, picking up an order on DoorDash for $8.50. And I think it was going like 3.3 3.4 miles. Let me double check that. Yeah, 3.4 miles. So I didn't even make it to Noodles and Company yet, and they sent me another order picking up at Charlie's Cheesesteak, which is in the mall, and Noodles and Company is in the mall too, but not in the food court. So I'll have to go to the other side of the mall to pick up that Charlie's Cheesesteak. So anyway, it was, let's see, that one was for $6 plus, and it was just going an additional 1.6 miles. So it shouldn't take me too long to pick up at either place. Sometimes I have a little bit of a wait at Charlie's Cheesesteak, but not enough to make much difference. All right, I'm at Noodles and Company. Let's go in and grab it. I got them both on board. That was different because I had the wait at Noodles and Company and no wait at Charlie's Steakhouse. Charlie's Cheesesteak, sorry. So it looks like they're having me drop off Abby's, which is the Noodles and Company, first. All right, that was a weird spot to leave an order, but that's where they said to leave it. It was by the outside entrance of the apartment complex, by the parking garage, so where anybody could pick it up if they wanted to, but not my concern. I put it where they told me to. So, but that order, it did go up to $8.50, so both of those orders were like $8.50, so that was a nice stack, very nice stack. So, all right, well guys, I think I'm gonna end here. I need to really focus on making the rest of my money for the day. So, you know, and with messing with the camera and stuff, it always kind of interferes with that a little bit. So I am going to leave you guys here. It's about 1:30. So I appreciate you guys riding along with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I don't know what you're waiting for. So I will leave you guys with that. You guys take care, have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.